In the previous movie, I showed you how to import Microsoft Office documents into Contribute for Windows, and you saw there were a lot of options for how we brought that content in. We were able to import content directly from the document into the web page. We were able to link to the document. We were able to create a PDF of the document and link to it, or create a PDF of the document and embed it into our Contribute page. You can actually do the same exact things on the Mac side. It just takes a few more steps. You don't get that nice dialog box that appears asking you what you want to do when you're working on the Mac side. On my desktop here, I've copied that folder, MS Documents, and I have that Word and Excel document again. And let's just start by opening up the Word document in Microsoft Word. And this is the same document we were looking at in the previous movie, but if you weren't watching that movie, I just wanted to give you a quick look at that. We have a title that's in bold here, a subtitle that's italicized, and 2 paragraphs of text. Now, the first option that was available on the Windows side was to import the content into our document. And we can do the same thing here by selecting the text, copying it, closing the document, and then coming into our Contribute page and just choosing Paste. And you can see here that it actually kept a lot of the same formatting. In fact, it kept all the same formatting. I have that heading here in bold. I've got the subheading in italics, and then I have my 2 paragraphs of text. Now, for some reason, when you're copying a document, you don't want to keep that formatting. You just want the plain text. Let me just delete that. You can actually come to the Edit menu and choose Paste Text Only, which, as you can see, just pastes the text without any type of formatting on it. So that's the other paste option that you have. Now, as far as linking to the document, in those instances when you want to actually provide access to the original Word document to the people visiting your site, you can do that simply by dragging the document onto your page, like so. And that actually just creates a link to that document. And when you go to publish this page, Contribute will also publish the Word document to store on the server, so it can be downloaded by anybody who clicks on this link. Now, as far as the other 2 options that were available on Windows in terms of creating a PDF and linking to it, or creating a PDF and embedding it, you can do that, but we're going to talk about that in the next movie. Now, we also can do the same thing with our Excel documents. Here's an Excel spreadsheet. And again, our options are to just take the content and paste it into our page, which we can do just by selecting all the cells we want to copy, copying them, just ignoring that, and then coming in here and choosing Edit, Paste. And you can see that that copies the Excel spreadsheet as a table into our Contribute draft. And because this is a table, I can format it just like a regular table by opening up table properties or going into row and columns, and I can change the colors or change any kind of properties I want. Let me delete that. You can also choose to paste just text only for Excel documents you've copied. And you can see here, it's basically just listed the contents of the spreadsheet without putting it into a table. So as you can see, you can pretty much do the same things you can do on Windows. It's just not as convenient to do on the Mac side. We also don't have the Contribute toolbar that's available on the Windows side of things. We can't automatically send a Word document to Contribute or publish directly to the website or send to a blog. But other than that, the functionality is pretty much the same. It just takes a couple more steps on the Mac side of things. So in the next movie, we'll talk about the PDF capabilities of Contribute, and we'll see how we can embed or link to PDF documents in Contribute.